Hey there, my name is Lancelot, and I know many of you guys are having problems with your Yamaha natural sound compact disc, especially the CDM-900 player, like this one. You may have issues with it turning on over time, right? And it won't load the CDs. And sometimes it's just all jammed up. So when you open up here, you see all the CDs are here, and your track will not slide up and down. And you hear the noise whining and whining, and you do not understand why it will not load the CDs and play anymore. So there are two things you got to look at. Right around here is this wire that hooks down. I don't know if you can see it. You see that thin wire? It goes up and hooks on over to here. The spring. It goes over where the CD is supposed to go in and down. I'll go right back here. And we can see the wire. There's the wire. So it goes down and hooks right here. You see? The wire goes right there. And it just has a seal on it so it doesn't move. But your main problem is when it's spinning and spinning and spinning, I couldn't figure out for my dear life why I couldn't get it to work. So I'm going to close this and explain it. I'm going to show you one of the easiest things to do. I could not find anything to find it. I found this where the belt used to be. It just spins and spins. It's supposed to hook right around that green thing with a gear right there. So I couldn't find a rubber belt because the belt itself had just become like a big mound of tar on this round thing right there. And every time I try to change the CD, say, dial this,